Welcome back. This is Reset Your Journey. I'm Glenn.
And I'm Rose, and we recently had the opportunity to take a tour of the new Winnebago EKKO with Life of Wander, a full-time RV couple. This is Erin and Allison, and we are in Michigan today. They're showing us around their Winnebago EKKO.
So this is our 2022 Winnebago EKKO. It's a first generation from Winnebago. It fit us perfectly when we found it. We had been looking for so long, about 6-7 years, and everything that we looked at just kept getting smaller and smaller. Winnebago announced this, and we couldn't wait to get it, so we ended up putting a deposit down early, and this is what we ended up with.
Yep, waited about 11 months to get it, and yeah, we're super stoked. We've been full-timing in it for about 8 months, traveled 16,000 miles, and been through about 20 states, 16 national parks. Yeah, just seeing it all, and now we're headed into Canada in a couple days.
Where can people follow you guys?
Life of Wander on Instagram. Primarily Instagram, a little bit of Facebook, but mostly Instagram.
Right away, we were impressed with how much storage this EKKO has.
You know, that we keep covered up, you know, just so it's not getting too beat up.
Right there.
Oh.
The dog fencing fits on this little ledge perfectly, so we have 2 stacks of those. Gives them a nice little yard. But yeah, it's good. So if you get the one with the generator, we don't have, the generator goes here.
Okay.
Which we just have a little extra storage, so I just leave my
It's
electrical
like an
stuff in there.
Odin 5K or...
Yeah, I can't remember what it is. It might be a 2.4.
So really small, but you don't need much for this.
No, you really
You're 30
don't.
amp only.
And then, so you have your, I can't remember which one's unlocked. That one's locked up. 2 big Lithionics batteries. I think they're 320 amp hours each. So you get these guys. Oh man. And these batteries are great. They are really, really good. Super smart.
The Battleborn, I let that stuff go. This is fine.
But you know, it's been more than enough power. We've been boondocking in the west, and we haven't gone past 50%.
That's amazing.
It has a second alternator. So as soon as you start driving, it's charging.
It's charging
up. And that's
your batteries
the quickest
there.
way to charge back up.
Yeah.
So
Your WeBoost on top like ours.
WeBoost up top. There's 3 solar panels. That's pretty much for the outside. We have a water closet, which is probably similar to maybe what you guys have.
No.
Just for hookups and water fill and draining. But you see some similar things on Class A's and whatnot.
This thing is pretty cool.
It's like the Swiss Army knife of RVs.
The other option is this compartment you can get with an outdoor kitchen. We opted without it because we wanted the storage. But it has a whole drawer that pulls out. You get another fridge, like the chest style fridge, a 2-burner propane stove, which we already have one inside, and a little sink. So we wanted the storage. So the Winnebago EKKO is built on the Ford Transit chassis. It is a 2021 chassis. It is an all-wheel drive. It has the 3.5 EcoBoost 10-speed transmission, plenty of power, gets us up the hills and the grades with the flow of traffic. We never worry about getting up hills. And it does really well. The all-wheel drive chassis, you know, it'll get us out of problems if we get stuck somewhere, you know, in a place we don't want to be with weather. You know, we have a little bit more confidence that we'll be able to get out of a situation. Want to go inside? Both the seats in the front swivel to add to the dinette. Usually we just swivel the one for the 2 of us, because one of us will sit here, one of us will sit there. There's a lagoon mount down here, so if people sitting in the passenger seat has a little table or desk. Good storage there. Standard kitchen, little microwave, 2-burner propane stove, our sink. I thought that it was nice that they added this tall fridge in here rather than going with the dorm style. Little freezer, but it's nice and messy in there.
Everyone's is.
The bathroom is really cool. So go ahead and open it up. So this mode we call toilet mode.
Toilet mode.
So you have your sink and your toilet there. But if you grab the green wall, shower mode.
Wow. Look at that. That is awesome.
So it keeps your stuff dry. You know, some people don't care for the wet baths and everything getting wet. But yeah.
I like that.
So we have it set up in twin beds. It was just easier for us with the dogs and such. But there are a couple of cushions that they give you that will fill that space so you can make a real big bed.
Yeah, I just not have to like move our rig.
Yeah, that's it. It's been everything that we've needed. You know, it's been great.
That's awesome. It's just the two of you.
Just the two of us and the dogs. Yeah.
Awesome. This is perfect.
It's perfect for us,
Great
for
choice.
sure. You know, everybody wants to do it a little bit different. We just knew from the start that we wanted to be small.
Right.
That we wanted to be able to pull into cities and park in regular spots. You know, at 23 feet, we can fit just about anywhere.
And that makes boondocking real easy too.
Makes boondocking really
Dry
easy.
camping.
And then, you know, this being all-wheel drive, you know, you can get out there a little further, or more importantly, you can get out of places.
Right. Oh man. Yes.
You know,
we know about
so,
that. Great.
yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
The Winnebago EKKO definitely seems like the perfect off-grid boondocking RV for two. And Aaron and Allison are obviously very, very happy with it. We had a Hawaii theme going on with the music in this video and seemed kind of appropriate because Aaron and Allison lived in Hawaii for 15 years, so it was very dear to their hearts. And it's dear to our hearts because Glenn and I were married on Kauai 20 years ago. So it was really cool to catch up and meet with them and get to know them. We want to thank them for sharing their EKKO with us and all of you. And if you like this video, please take the time to leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel for other videos about our travels across the US and other RV tours and reviews. Thanks guys, and we'll see you in the next video.
Winnebago EKKO is built on the Ford Transit chassis.
again.
Sorry,
Take 3.